This guy did $100 in less than 24 hours, and he's now doing over $300 a day with this one single Google search method. And the best part about this affiliate marketing Google search method is that you don't need a website, you don't need to invest any money, you don't need to work with clients, and you don't need to record any videos or show your face. And some people are seeing the results on the first day after they set up this system that I like to call the piggyback system. Now, what is actually the piggyback system and how it actually works? Well, you see, there are over 5.9 million people searching on Google every minute. Every minute, there's millions of people searching on Google. There's a lot of people who are going to the Google search and they're searching for different things, and most of them are searching for different products to buy. There's billions of dollars being made through Google search. And every minute that you and I are not there, there are 5.9 million Google searches. So essentially, the piggyback method would essentially mean that you would kind of piggyback on someone who already has an audience and a lot of people searching for their name or for their brand. For example, Alex Hormozi is this business guru that now gets 5.5 million searches per month just on YouTube alone, and probably like 10 million searches a month on Google, which is pretty crazy. But there's a lot of competition around him. A lot of people are making videos about him. On the other side, we also have Iman Ganji. There's like 12 million people searching for his name. So there's 12 million people going to the search bar searching for his name. There's a lot of attention there. For example, for my name, there's about 400,000 people searching for my name every month just on YouTube, and probably 1 million searches a month on Google as well. And the competition is pretty low over here. So what you would essentially do for the step number 3 is just find an affiliate program of that particular influencer, and that can be literally anyone in any niche, whoever you might be watching on YouTube or following on Instagram or whoever you heard about. You would basically just check their searches and check if they're big enough, and you want to find different products that they might be selling, and if they have an affiliate program, just sign up because it's free. For example, I have an affiliate program for most of the offers that I sell at theonlinebusinessacademy.com/affiliate. You can just sign up for completely free and become an affiliate for these different products and services that are available at the Online Business Academy, including the Online Business Club, where you essentially earn up to 50% affiliate commission. And we also have dfydave.com/affiliate, where you can also sign up for free in case you want to promote DFY services or done for you services, including the monetization services as well. And they also earn almost 50% per sale. And some of these products and services result in thousands of dollars a day. And if you don't know how to actually sign up as an affiliate, basically just click on join now, enter your full name in this box, enter your email address here, click let's go, and then you will just receive an email from the Online Business Academy. It's going to look something like this. So just click on the get started button, and that's going to take you to this page where you will basically just create a password. If you want, you can also take this box and then click continue, and that's going to take you to your affiliate dashboard. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have a PayPal account, just enter your PayPal email address so you can receive your payments, or not, just complete the step later, and then go to the links and resources on the left side. So links and resources on the left, and there you can find your affiliate links for the Online Business Club and Online Business Academy as well. And if you want to create some specific link, you just paste that link here. So for example, if you want to go to the Online Business Academy and you found some class that you would promote, like these are courses in the online business space. So let's say, for example, you want to promote this digital products course, really, we'll just copy the link of it. You will paste it here and click enter, and that's going to give you a special affiliate link just for that particular product. So that's how you sign up as an affiliate. It's pretty easy. Now, there's many different ways that you can leverage Google search to make money as an affiliate for these different products of these different influencers or online personalities in whatever niche that person is, whatever person that you actually choose. And one of the ways that you can do this is you can basically use ChatGPT of the video that they made. So for example, if you found some popular video of that creator, you would basically just copy the link and then you can paste it into ChatGPT 4. If you're using ChatGPT 4, you can install this Vox Script plugin. So you just add that, you would unselect all the other plugins, and then you can just give it this prompt. Basically, you can copy and paste this. I have a free community on School where you can go to the tools and resources. I will leave it in the description box down below. It's completely free. You just sign up, you click on tools and resources, and here you would basically find all of these different links. So you can find different prompts, but you can also find these done for you hooks and scripts. And most importantly, if you scroll down to the piggyback method, we also have the Google search method for scrapers and stuff, but the piggyback method gives you example topic title ideas, photos, and payment proofs if you want to use ChatGPT prompts for blog articles, articles in ChatGPT prompts from videos to blog articles, the one that I just showed, so you can copy and paste that. Or you can also select ChatGPT prompts from blog articles, and that gives you like step-by-step how to actually do this. So for example, I'm gonna use this example over here. So we have step number 1, step number 2. You would have to just make changes to this. Just make sure that you change the things that are in the brackets. And then if you go to ChatGPT, I'm gonna start a new search. You can just type this in. So I run a blog aimed at people who follow a social media expert. In this case, I'm gonna be targeting Dave Nick, but you can again choose any other creator or anyone who has people searching for their name on Google, and that person also has an affiliate program as well. And then essentially here we have different title ideas that we can use. Once we get the title ideas, we can then proceed to step number 2 of this framework, which is this over here. So now I'm going to paste it here. So let's have selected one of the titles here. Now I also want to target specific keywords, the name of the product that I'm promoting, and also the creator name as well, something that people are searching for. There's a lot of searches every single month for it. So now it gives me different title ideas. And finally, the step number 3 is to actually write the entire blog post based on one of the titles that you've selected. So you just basically paste that prompt and you get a full article now written for you. If you just go to ChatGPT and you tell it like, hey, write an article for me, like out of nowhere, it's not going to be really high quality and it's not going to perform very well. But as you can see, now it's actually creating very, very good and very detailed articles that I can use. So now I can copy this entire article that was written for me by ChatGPT, and it's like a full overview or anything related to that creator, and I can either go to medium.com. This is where I've seen most people actually publish these articles and make money, but I've also seen people make money off of LinkedIn as well. So I've seen some of these writers who wrote reviews about the products or wrote details about the products, and then they've shared their affiliate links as well. And some of these creators, some of these writers are making thousands of dollars in passive income from one single article that they publish once. Now it's always a lot better to write these articles yourself and be honest and give honest feedback, because sometimes both LinkedIn and Medium don't really like ChatGPT generated articles. But if you really don't feel like doing the work, then you can try it out with ChatGPT as well. But then just click on write, and there you can just paste your article like this. Make sure to remove these asterisks or stars, and I'm gonna remove them from here as well, so we don't necessarily need that. And most importantly, you also want to include your affiliate link so that people can actually click and sign up through your affiliate link, because here I believe only the onlinebusinessclub.com link was left. So instead I would say click here, and then I would highlight that part, and then I would insert my affiliate link. So this is the Online Business Club affiliate link. I would copy that, and then I would just insert that here. So if someone clicks, they're actually going to go through my affiliate link, and then click publish. And as I previously said, in this free community that I made on Skool, you can also find different photos and payment proofs that you can use, and you can also find example topic and title ideas, so you can really create something very high quality. Because if you just grab it in like 2 minutes with ChatGPT, it's not really going to rank pretty high, because everyone else can easily generate that in ChatGPT. But if you write comprehensive reviews, detailed ones, and you put a lot of effort in it, then each article that you publish can end up making thousands of dollars in passive income. Like, I'm pretty sure that these people who are now making thousands of dollars off of these articles that they publish on LinkedIn and Medium, I'm pretty sure they didn't just generate it in ChatGPT. They weren't lazy. They actually took like 30 minutes, 60 minutes of their day, 2 hours, 5 hours, doesn't matter. But once they've done it, and once this is ranking high, that can end up being thousands of dollars every single month from something that you do in one single day, in less than 24 hours. Especially because there's a massive volume of people searching for these things already. Anyways, all of these links and resources will be left in the free community Online Business Friends, which I will link in the description box down below. There you can also network with people from around the world, people who are also doing these things and trying to make money online, and you can get other things as well for completely free. So again, you would basically just click on tools and resources once you join, and you can get all of that. It's a completely free community, and there you can also talk directly to me as well. Anyways, I really hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like down below, and I will see you in some of the next ones.